You may not think about it much, but these green bottles are a single-use product. Yeah, a single-use product. 48 million of them are used and end up in landfills each year. We can do better. Introducing the Gas Growler, a fuel source that is refillable, easy to use, and packs the heating power of 5 green bottles in a single tank. Each refill costs the same as one single-use green bottle and can be done at your local propane service station. Also, it comes in a rugged case that makes outdoor heating way easier than fumbling with a bunch of those green bottles. The Ignik Gas Growler, because green isn't good enough.